Hi guys, how are you doing? Good evening, awesome. That's great. So, a quick question before we start the session today, the practice session. Um, can you see me? Yeah, I'm also doing good, Fakir. Can you guys see me? You can see me? Okay. I was trying to hide. You can see the screen. Oh, you cannot see. Okay, that's great because now you can see me. I'm looking a little red. I know that I've tried something on the background, so there's some green screen effect which is there. I'm trying to work on the lighting part. I don't know. I'm not this red typically, so that's pretty much. But interesting is I've tried something cross with the background. Now it's kind of there. Can you see me now? Awesome. That's great. Yeah, I'll try to get the light ring. What that is. Okay, so first of all, welcome to this workshop. You know, yeah, as you can see, things are growing slowly and steadily. So same is the way everyone here is. I can see you guys. A lot of you are improving through the videos. I can see then through the stories that how you tell it, and that's amazing. So yeah, that's amazing. So we'll start the session with one video that we typically have. There's one video which I want to share with you. This is of a Shaolin master who and just pay attention on the gravity of his speech because that is something I want you to see as a speaker. How smooth and what is the gravity? Okay, we'll only play 50%. Rest 50% you can listen it at your leisure. I'll just send you the link. Okay, so we'll listen only the 50%. And apart from this, I think who is having the first session here? Anyone who is having the first session? I'm Swanand has a first session in the inner community, I believe. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Welcome to the community, Swanand. And I think Shiva Ganesh is one of the audience guests from Outer Circle. Great. Okay, so just to give you an orientation, today is a practice session where we have taken up a topic and we'll be putting our thoughts across on the same thing. And I've given you feedbacks last week, and let's see if you have worked out on that. That's amazing. So Shiva, you just see what are the things happening, listen to the topic, and you can see the overall things. Okay, I'll share the screen now so that you can see the video which I want to share with you. By the way, these videos are also kept uh, in your drive, which we have shared with you. There is something called interesting videos. So I try to keep all my videos which are super interesting in here. Okay. So we'll be seeing. Okay, this is something I want to show you.
More than 95% people said that public speaking skill is a learnable skill.
Right.
And if it is a learnable skill, then we have to.
nowadays what is happening is people are showing me to learn public speaking, ads around public speaking. So I'm like, haha. Okay. So I think now you can you see the screen? Yeah, can you see the screen now? Join in early if you have 5:30. Try joining 5:30. All right. So this is the video. This is a 18-minute video, but we'll only see for at least 7 to 8 minutes, and see the kind of gravity and the kind of speaking style he has. Okay. Awesome.
Good morning. It has been quite a privilege being able to grow up in two quite different ways of life. I was born in Germany and at the same time had the chance to learn more about an ancient art coming from the Shaolin Temple. When you grow up in an Asian family, it is quite common that firstly, you don't argue with your father, and secondly, you either become medical doctor, engineer, or lawyer, elsewise your parents will be very unhappy. So, having that said, I finished my academic education with 2 university degrees, MBA, and quite a collection of different certificates and diplomas. Everything that my parents thought would be useful to have. But throughout this education, I felt something was missing. Because I was learning about many different aspects. How the plant is working, what an atom is made out of, how a political system is functioning. But somehow the subject was missing to learn something about myself. So with the age of 4, for the first time, I got introduced into the monastic practices. And I was very happy to find out that the main part of these practices were dealing with the exploration and the discovery of yourself. There was mental training, development of behavior, combined with the physical training, all aspects of what nowadays is known as Shaolin Kung Fu. Now, despite the wishes of my parents to somehow go out in the market and try to manage the world, I decided to continue this monastic life and start learning more about myself first. Now, in the preparation for this talk, I was asked to share a few words on what is important in this lifetime. And see, it's already challenging to put 3 decades into a single talk. But the picture I would like to show you summarizes very much what I consider as being valuable in this lifetime. There is something about sharing with others. There is something about connection. There is the training and development of yourself. It is to enjoy your time, even doing nothing. And one main aspect is to find a way and do the things you like to do. Now, when I received the invitation to have a talk at today's event, especially under the slogan, High, Higher, Highest, something very particular came up on my mind. And a master from the Shaolin Temple once told me a story that I would like to share with you. A man was living close to a mountain, and every day he was thinking, how would it be to climb that mountain, and what would I see on the peak? So finally the day came, and the man went on the journey. Arriving at the foot of the mountain, he met the first traveler. So he asked, how did you get up the mountain, and what did you see from the top? And so the traveler shared his path and also the view that he had. But then the man was thinking, the way that this traveler described to me sounds very exhausting. I need to find another way to climb. So he continued to walk on the foot of the mountain until he met the next traveler. So once again he asked, how did you climb up that mountain? And what did you see from the top? And so again the traveler shared his story. Still not being determined on which direction and which way to go, the man asked 30 more people, 30 more travelers. When he finished talking to all of them, he finally made up his mind. Now that so many people already shared with me their paths and especially what they all saw from the top, I don't need to climb there anymore. It is very unfortunate this man never went on the journey. Now, to conclude this story, firstly, each individual needs to find the most suitable way to climb that mountain. But secondly, there is information possible to be shared with words. But it is impossible to share the experience of clarity when you are standing on that peak by yourself. To invest the right effort in climbing that peak is very much what all the Buddhist practices, the Shaolin training, or any spiritual practice is about. Clarity means you see more clear. When you see more clear, interrelations become more apparent. When you see more clear, there is no need to believe anyone or believe anything. Seeing clear means you can distinguish for yourself which is the proper direction to take and which decisions do I have to make in order to make my goals or aspirations start to shape. Now, at today's talk, you will have the chance to become inspired by quite a lot of different travelers. But in this particular talk, I can't and I won't tell you which way to go. It's just that along your personal journey, you will encounter challenges. Those challenges will either prevent you or some of them even stop you from moving on and climbing that mountain. In the Shaolin Temple, we refer to them as the 5 hindrances. The 5 hindrances are describing different states of the mind.
Okay, so all right. So he has described 5 hindrances, and then he goes on explaining about everything which is there and how everything works in that. But I think we'll be watching this video till here only, and the rest video you can take it across. I'll just share it in the group. So I'll share it in the Telegram group, and there from there you can do it. Okay, how was it? I can see a couple of guests here who have joined us here. Yeah, you liked it? Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so I think a lot of you like this. So it's one of the very interesting guy, and he has a couple of things. So I've shared the video. You can just see the video, complete video after the session, and also he has a couple of Shaolin temples, and he has some videos if you want to launch Shaolin, and all the things that he was trying to put across. But tell me one thing, as a public speaker, uh, what was his style? How was his style? What did you? What is one thing that you liked in his overall performance? What was that one thing you liked in that guy's performance? All the new people, I'll give a formal introduction. Please be on hold. Put in the comments, but you can put the comments whatever you think. So Nikun says calmness, motivation, down to earth. He was calm, and we can feel it in the speech. Okay, there is flow of content and calm. You had the minds of the audience with his guest and his words. He was intense as he was connected with the audience. With Bah. Okay. Yeah. And this is something that is not something which you eventually you grow in this in your personality, right? It kind of grows into your personality, and that is what we are aiming here at. Okay. The way he introduced himself, the way he put across, I really liked the video, and I thought it's worth sharing. Um, and he gave some interesting thoughts also. Okay, that's amazing. All right, so I think we have chosen the path to climb the mountain, not only by listening to others, but also by performing and becoming, in overcoming our fears. And for that, we are doing this session across. That's amazing. Okay, so okay, that's great. So we'll be starting the session. Where is the thing? Just give me a minute. How do we introduce? I've used the introduction of some other thing, because right now what we are doing is we are also opening our speech sessions for audiences. So some of the people are there who are not a part of the inner community; they are part of outer community, and they have come to see what we do here, and that way there's something which is great. So guys, welcome to a session from 10,000 Speakers community. My name is Abhishek Gulia and I'm a public speaking trainer and a coach. I have trained a lot of people across and been a speaker at a lot of places. I'm a speaker at National Speakers Association USA, World Speech Day UK, Public Speakers of India and Speakers of International. And all in all, I am a host of 10,000 Speakers podcast in the series. Some of it is under construction right now, so once it's out, you can take it across. Apart from this, I love the way I'm able to contribute to people's life, help them improve, and yeah, that gives me sheer joy. That's amazing. Today, we have gathered here for a practice session where we have taken up a topic which is around relationships, and I'm curious to know what are the thoughts and everything. So why don't okay, Nikunj, why don't you tell us what was the topic for today? You can unmute yourself and tell us what's the topic for today. Okay, there's some glitch which is happening. Uh, Unable to mute. Okay, you'll be able to mute. Maybe there's some things across. We have got the topic on the comments. Let's say the topic is the westernization of Indian romantic relationship a good transformation or not? That's interesting. So what I'll ask is because there are 16 people who have joined this workshop. Uh, if you're a part of inner community of 10,000 speakers, please write inner in the comment box. And the order in which your comments will come, the same way you'll be going for the speeches. Okay, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All the people who are a part of the inner community, please write inner. And all the people, rest of the people, I can see a couple of you. You can just type audience. All the people who are not a part of inner community as of now, you can just type audience. Put in the comments so that things are there and clear. Okay, welcome as an audience at 10,000 speakers. I think we have PA, we have Madhu also, we have Aparijita, we have Rajesh. Guys, welcome to the workshop here. And that's it. Okay, that's great. So moving on, what we'll be doing is we'll be having a video thing across. So what I want is everybody can start their video, and I'll stop sharing the thing. Okay, just not recording. Okay, there's some issues which is happening. Okay. All right. So I think Mrityunjay will go first. He wrote the first thing, and we'll be going in the same order in which it is here. Okay. I can just share. There's a Okay. If you wish to join, all the people who have joined in as the audience, if you wish to join our inner community, so you can always get connected to the admin of your group, and that way we can take it across. Or what you can do is you can fill this form, which I'm sharing with you here. Which I'm sharing this with you, and you can just fill this form and you can be a part of our inner community. Not in today's session, maybe in the next session. We do a lot of practice sessions as well as a lot of theory and practical around topics. All right, so I think let's put the video on, everybody, and I'll put this across on a speaker view. मैं लाल लग रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, but ठीक है. We'll have the speakers across. Do you want to go with the same number, same way in which you have replied as inner into the comments? Mrityunjay, can you go first? Mrityunjay is first. He's like no. Okay, so Mrityunjay, now you can go in the last, and Rinjim can go in the first. Okay, and then we'll be following the order which is there, there in that order in which we have chosen. Okay, but I want everybody to switch on their cameras so that we can have an audience wala feel. Okay, that's amazing. I request all the audience members also, they can also put across. Very nice fan, Ranjan, on the back.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So I've made your camera as a spotlight, and I think everybody can see you now. I think you can
Okay, sir.
All the best.
May I start now?
Yeah, go on.
So I'm a little nervous right now, sorry. So if you can't change your mind, then why have it? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Rimjim Gupta, stand before you to express my views on the topic, is westernization of romantic relationships in India a good transformation or not? And I stand for the topic. Let me guide you all in understanding what westernization actually is, what have been its effect, and to what extent has it affected, and what all effects can be seen in coming years. So westernization is said to be a transformation of ideas and mindset of pertaining to social norms, ethics, values, and beliefs. Living in 21st century, we know that every field in India is somehow connected to westernization, and in this age of globalization, it has brought out a tremendous effect and around a 360 change in our lifestyles. Coming to the institution of family, marriage and romantic relationships form the foundation of it. From abolition of sati pratha to allowance of widow remarriage, all are products of westernization. Westernization is always supportive of independence, independence of what to do, what to think, and what to choose. And westernization has actually led us in this era of co-education. It has allowed us to be comfortable with people of other gender. It has turned the institution of marriage into a responsibility rather than obligation that was in times of 1960s. And it has led to decrease in gender discrimination if we compare 1950s and 2020s. It has allowed us to look past our differences, our taboos, our prejudices, and stereotypes. Now, there was one point that came to my mind because I got this topic as my speaking project. That was that sexual assaults that happen, marital rape form a very important aspect of sexual assault, and I believe that the kind of change that westernization is bringing in people's mindset in India, if that effect is increased and parents and people of Gen Y, Generation Y, come to understand and come in terms with of what they that the children can choose actually of who to spend their lives with, and are not forced into arranged marriages, the number of marital rapes can actually decrease. According to statistics, 13% of the total rapes are marital rapes. So maybe we can bring a huge change that side. Also, it will help in enhancing the relationship between parents and children, because if parents come to terms with relationships that westernization promotes, then maybe it will help parents in becoming guides and role models for them, and will deter children from going on venturing on wrong paths. So according to me, westernization would not only correct the society, will also enhance the relationship of children with their parents, and will bring a significant change in every field we see. I do not say that westernization is totally right, but in terms of relationships, romantic relationships, I believe that the pros outweigh the cons. And to counter any apprehensions that you might be having, I will say that it is how we perceive westernization. If we look more on the negative side of westernization, we might lose on the innumerable benefits that we are having, and we lose that. But if we look more on the positive side, we we might win over the negatives. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's hear for our guys. Come on, put it up. There's a virtual clap that goes across. You can keep the video on, I think. It's better to have that kind of direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's amazing. First of all, a beautiful fan on the back
Thank you, sir.
that is just rolling around, just like, whoa. Okay, that's amazing. Guys, what did you like in her performance? Please put in the comments. Okay. Apart from this, from my side, I think, it was a elaborate speech. It was a well-balanced speech. Your stand was super clear, and you were kind of portraying it out in a nice way. Somewhere I felt it, thoda sa schoolish. You are in school, I know that. But the thing is, schoolish as in, like, there are some things where you have to interact with your audience.
Yes,
A
sir.
lot of times, we're not told about interaction. We're not told about to care of for the audience. We're told about tell our stuff. This is the thing. There are a couple of things which you have to tell. But in real life, how it works is you have to care of your audience. You have to talk
Yes,
to
sir.
them, understand them. And whenever you're speaking, you're like, don't speak like, okay, this is the thing, and things are happening, and okay, this is the thing. Whenever you're giving it a thought, give it across on the camera so that we are able to get you across. Okay, don't do us a favor of looking at us. Give us the equal respect and the equal time across. I think that's amazing. And yeah, second is next time don't write it just down there.
I was not able to see anyways.
Oh, okay. But still, mental pictures like let me see.
Yes, sir.
That happens. Just keep it. Just throw it.
Okay.
All right. Awesome. That's great. I think that's really great. Thank you for that speech.
Thank
And
you,
let's
sir.
have the next person here. So I think the next person from the Bay is motivated Mayank. Mayank, you can go across and put across your speech. But where are you? Okay, Mayank is here. Mayank, over to you. You're muted, Abhi. Now it's better.
हेलो गाइस आवाज आ रही है
अब आवाज आ रही है. Go on.
हेलो हेलो गाइस गुड इवनिंग रिसर्च बताती है कि हमारा जो कल्चर है यहाँ पर स्टार्टिंग से ही एक कंफर्ट जोन बिल्ड हुआ. यहाँ पर स्टडी स्टार्टिंग से जब हम बर्थ लेते हैं, बर्थ लेने के बाद में हमारा अपब्रिंगिंग होता है. अपब्रिंगिंग भी इस तरह से होता है कि बिल्कुल कंफर्ट जोन में
Okay.
क्या करना है क्या करना नहीं है।
Pause. मयंक, नोट्स रखे हैं सामने?
ओके
नोट्स रखे हुए हैं ना सामने?
नहीं
इनको,
अरे notes-
अरे नहीं नहीं, इनको रख के फेंको इनको। मुझे तुम्हारी परफॉर्मेंस देखनी है यार, तुम्हारे नोट्स की परफॉर्मेंस नहीं देखनी। ठीक है,
अरे सर दो
जो भी है फेंक दो इसे, नहीं चाहिए जिंदगी में, बिकॉज वो कांस्टेंट ध्यान जाता है ना वहाँ पे। ओके, गो ऑन एंड बी आईज ऑन द स्क्रीन।
थैंक यू सर। स्टार्टिंग से हमारा जो अपब्रिंगिंग होता है, अपब्रिंगिंग में हम जब स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा 5 to 7 years का अपब्रिंगिंग होता है, उसमें हम देखते हैं कि जो हमारा डिसीजन मेकिंग होता है वो किसी ना किसी पर डिपेंड होता है। तो जब हम धीरे धीरे हमारा डेवलप होता है, माइंडसेट डेवलप होता है, हमारा फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर डेवलप होता है, तो उस जब उस टाइम पे हमको बहुत सारी चीजें समझ में नहीं आती, बट जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं तो हमारा स्ट्रक्चर एक बिल्ड होता है, तब हमको समझ में आता है कि हमारे डिसीजन हमारे हैं और हमको एक फ्रीडम चाहिए। और ये फ्रीडम कब समझ में आती है, जब हम किसी रिलेशनशिप में जाते हैं और एंटर करते हैं और कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं और उस प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन हमको नहीं पता होता है व्हाट्सअप, तो इस समय हमको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है नहीं समझ में आता, बिकॉज टाइम भी निकल चुका है, माइंडसेट भी इतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ। तो अब जब रिलेशनशिप की बात आती है, तो रिलेशनशिप में अगर वेस्टर्न रिलेशन का हम यूज करते हैं, मीन्स की एक टॉपिक है इस वेस्टर्नाइजेशन ऑफ इंडियन रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप इज गुड और बैड। ओके, तो यहाँ पर गुड और बैड की बात नहीं है, यहाँ पर बात है एक फ्रीडम की, एक मीन्स एक रिलेशनशिप का स्ट्रक्चर मेंटेन करने की। पहले हम देखते हैं कि अगर अरेंज मैरिज की बात होती है, तो अरेंज मैरिज हर एक कल्चर में एक बेसिक लेवल में माना गया है, बट अरेंज मैरिज में होता क्या है कि स्टार्टिंग में तो सब राजी हो जाते हैं, बट इन द 2 3 4 years के बाद में बहुत सारी चीजें फेस करने को मिलती है हमको। तो वेस्टर्नाइजेशन कहीं ना कहीं एक गुड भी है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग से आपका एक माइंडसेट प्रिपेयर है कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, डिपेंड ऑन बोथ साइड। ओके, so Westernization is the best for us, for everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's hear it from guys. Come on, put it up. Okay, that's amazing. Thank you, Mayank, for the speech. I think overall it was a very short speech, but a sweet one. That's amazing. You have worked on your background. That is great. And your network was really great this time. So, guys, what do you think about his performance? Put it in the comments so that we can know across. What is one good thing that he was there across? I will say, I can see some kind of expression, open expression now. कि हमारे थॉट्स और ओपन हो रहे हैं एंड इंटरेस्टिंग है। जैसे वो जब लिखा हुआ था उसके बाद वो उड़ा दिया हमने, उसके बाद भी क्या कॉन्फिडेंस से स्पीच किया है। आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग। अटक गया है या फिर तो वैसे ही है? अरे पता नहीं लग रहा मेरे को, मैं किसको अरे हाँ हाँ है, अरे कि ऐसे करके अटक गया है। ओके, दैट्स अमेजिंग। मैं इस चीज को थोड़ा सा ये भी करना चाहूंगा कि जैसे कंटेंट वाइज हमने इनफैक्ट डिस्कस किया था वीकडे में कि स्पीच का जो टॉपिक होता है और उसका स्टैंड होता है वो थोड़ा क्लियर रखना चाहिए शुरू में। तो इसको थोड़ा सा देखो एक बार के ना, अगली बार जो स्पीच दोगे ना उसके अंदर शुरू से ही टॉपिक और स्टैंड पहले क्लियर कर लो, उसके बाद अपना जाके ना वो फॉलो कर सकते हो। ठीक है,
कंटेंट वाइज सर,
कंटेंट वाइज वाज गुड। मैं थोड़ा और भी देखना चाहूंगा कंटेंट। ठीक है, अभी शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट में आपने किया that was great, लेकिन मैं और भी चीजों को देखना चाहूंगा। तो ओके, awesome, that's amazing. So who's the next speaker? Let's see. I can see from Motivated we have Nikunj here. Okay, Motivated Nikunj, then Nikunj. After that it is Ankit, then Anshuman, then Pakiya, then Vijay, then Sarat, then Manushi, then Swan, then Aprajita and Rajesh are audience. So you guys, you don't have to worry. चलेगा, अरे हमें क्या देना पड़ेगा? Okay, so okay, you can go forward. Nikunj, over to you. Nikunj, I'm not able to hear you. Guys, can you hear Nikunj? Yeah, now it's better.
Hello everyone. What I believe is relationship is integration of two souls, not only two bodies. And the topic for today is westernization of Indian romantic relationship is a good transformation or not? So traditionally, relationship was viewed from the viewpoint of gender. Like men were the bread earners, and women were used to take care of the domestic help. But in the current scenario, lot of things have changed. Now both men and women are much educated to earn the bread for themselves. Now coming to the differentiation part, like hello. So now coming to the differentiation part, like what is between Indian and Western relationship. Generally, in Indian society, what happens is girls are married at a younger age, and it is basically decided by their parents. In few cases, they opt for love marriages also. Now things are changing, and but in Western world, uh, they takes their decision on their own. Once they are around, I think 18, they start taking their own responsibility, which is very much different in case of Indian scenario. In Indian scenario, basically our education continues till uh, 20, 25 or 28 sometimes. So our ability to take decisions varies from the Western world. On the same point, if I tell that westernization is good, uh, I believe that westernization is good to some extent, but not fully, as because I mentioned earlier, like we have a difference in the decision making process. Our decision making process uh, enhances at a much later stage as compared to the Western world. So sometimes what happens is we take decision in a fluke, which results into divorce, and life gets sad enough. So uh, at least we should wait till a certain age, and after that we should slowly try to get westernized, because in Western world both the genders, men and women, get more freedom as compared to the Indian society. But there is also one drawback, that when like the child who is born is not getting the enough time from their parents as he or she used to get in the Indian society, because both of them are working. So that factor should also be kept in mind. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's hear from guys first of all. स्क्रीन इतना छोटा है मेरे को ना ऐसे गर्दन ऐसे कैसे पड़ते हैं ताली बजाने के लिए. Okay, that's amazing, Nikunj. First of all, कैसा लग रहा है after giving the speech?
हाँ सर.
कैसा लग रहा है after giving the speech?
Sir, nice.
Yeah, that's amazing. I can see interesting things. So, guys, what do you liked in his performance? Please put it across in the comments. And on my side, I'll say, the examples were really good. The examples that you brought in terms of freedom and in terms of, money, earning capacity and all those things, that were interesting. But the question is, were you in the session that we discussed the 2-point model, the content thing?
Yes, sir, I was there, but I was having some network issues, so I was not able to hear the properly.
Oh, okay. So what I suggest is for you as well and for the other people, since you are now 2-point model as a one of the thing, try practicing, try putting content in there, because that's the way we'll be growing across. Now basic speaking is done. Now we have to structure and we have to be more smooth with our speeches. So that way, experiment with it, and you can take help from somebody in the community so that he or she can help you understand the 2-point model. Okay, and that way it can go across. Okay, बाकी अच्छा है. I think I'm really happy. अभी अच्छा मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है. Things are interesting. बाकी थोड़ा सा उसमें ये है, take sides, क्योंकि हमने ये टॉपिक जो लिया है इसके अंदर we have to take one side, either for or against. Okay, for and against, and then talk about that direction. ठीक है.
But
But I
sir,
think
actually,
good message.
actually there is a problem with me that I cannot take one side. I have to see both the sides.
I know that, that's the skill that we are developing. Okay. Right now, what we are doing is we are developing a skill of speaking. Okay. Speaking skill is, there's a topic, there's a thing, you portray your thoughts. Okay. Everything has 60%, 40% in our mind, right? 60% is this side, 40% is this side. Idea is to ability to, take that 60% and portray only the 60%. थोड़ा सा स्पीकर वाला काम करेंगे, ठीक है? तो इसके बाद in real world, once you're speaking, it's your call how you want to take it across. ठीक है ना? Right now we are skilling ourselves. We are improving this, working on a skill. Okay? Awesome. That's great. Guys, did you like his performance? If you like his performance, I think people have put across some comments. You can see it across. Okay, that's amazing. Who's next? Let's see from here. I think Ankit is next, but Ankit was saying that he's leaving. Is Ankit here? Can you guys see Ankit? No, Ankit is not here. So I think Anshuman is the next person. Anshuman, are you ready? Okay, you are muted, by the way. Okay, the video is yours. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
ओके सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? एक बार कंफर्म कर दीजिए, हाथ ऊपर करके कंफर्म कर दीजिए, क्योंकि बात बोलूंगा तो सुनने में मजा बहुत आएगा। ओके, जिनके वीडियोस दिख रहे हैं उनके हाथ ऊपर हैं, सबको आवाज जा रही है, ठीक है? ओके ठीक है। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अंशुमान त्रिपाठी और आज सर ने टॉपिक तो सबके सामने क्लियर हो गया है, मैं भी अपने कुछ पॉइंट्स रखूंगा। सबसे पहले बताता हूँ, एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ आप सबसे, ये जो इश्क प्यार ऐसी किसी चीज के आसपास से गुजरे हैं, कभी हुआ है या दिल टूटा है या चल रहा है? अगर ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है तो हाथ खड़े करके बताइए, तो आप बात से रिलेट कर पाएंगे। ऐसे हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिए कि हाँ मेरे को एक बार हुआ था या फिर अभी मेरा चल रहा है। ओके, अरे यार कुछ लोगों को नहीं हुआ है, बढ़िया है। ओके तो दोस्तों आज हम इसी बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, और हम सब भारत में रहते हैं ना, तो हमारे भारत में बहुत सारी अमेजिंग चीजें हैं, जिसमें से एक है हम एक कृषि प्रधान देश में रहते हैं, और आज का हमारा टॉपिक ना इस चीज से बहुत ज्यादा रिलेट कर पाएगा। जैसे कि था कि क्या वेस्टर्नाइजेशन या पाश्चात्य सभ्यता हमारे भारत के रिलेशनशिप स्टाइल में जब मिक्स हो रही है, तो क्या ये ठीक है या नहीं ठीक है? तो इस पे ना एक बहुत ही बढ़िया राइटर की लाइन है कि बदलो मत, इवॉल्व करो, नॉलेज को मिक्स कर लो और मिक्स नॉलेज से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो। और कृषि प्रधान वाली बात यहाँ आती है कि एक जो किसान होता है ना, उसमें गुण होता है कि वो फसल उगाता है, दाने घर लाता है, घास भूसा घर के बाहर छोड़ देता है। तो जैसे पाश्चात्य सभ्यता में जो चीजें हैं ना, इसमें भी कुछ दाने हैं और कुछ घास है। दाने घर लाओ, घास को बाहर छोड़ना सीखो, क्योंकि अपने घर ऑलरेडी काफी सारी घास है रहने के लिए। तो इस हिसाब से है कि जैसे सबके अभी इतने अमेजिंग स्पीकर्स ने काफी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताई कि बहुत सारे प्रोज और बहुत सारे कॉन्स हैं। प्रोज लाना है, कॉन्स छोड़ना भी है। और जैसे हमारे अपने कल्चर में भी कौन क्या था कि जैसे कि हमारे पुराने टाइप के रिलेशनशिप में शादी के बाद 2 बच्चे हो गए और अपनी पत्नी का शक्ल भी नहीं देखा या शायद उसका नाम पूछना भी भूल जाते हैं। आज भी बहुत सारे दादाजी लोग हैं जो बताते हैं कि अरे मैंने तो उसकी शक्ल भी नहीं देखी थी। इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग, इसको अचीवमेंट के तौर पर नहीं बताना चाहिए। तो हम पाश्चात्य सभ्यता से ये तो सीख लिए हैं कि एटलीस्ट हम एक गर्ल को उसकी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, उसकी पहचान देते हैं, और हमने ये सीखा है। तो प्रोज भी हैं, कॉन्स भी हैं, काफी कुछ है सीखने लायक, समझने लायक। तो जैसे कहा ना कि दाने ले आओ, घास बाहर छोड़ो, तो वहाँ बहुत सारी बुरी चीजें भी हैं उनके कल्चर में जो यहाँ ना आए तो बेटर है, और बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें भी जो यहाँ तो अच्छी हैं। तो अब जैसे कि एक और चीज हो जाती है कि हमारे यहाँ जो बॉयज हैं या गर्ल्स हैं, हम बहुत दिन तक कमाने के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है। फादर दे रहे हैं, खर्च होता रहता है, जो कि हम वेस्टर्न से बहुत अच्छे से सीख सकते हैं। वहाँ बच्चे बहुत कम उम्र में इस बात का एहसास कर लेते हैं कि मुझे अपने पिता पे बोझ नहीं बनना है। इंग्लिश मीडियम मूवी देखी है आप सबने? बहुत धांसू मूवी है। अगर देखी तो एक बार हाथ खड़े करके बताइए तो जरा। अरे कोई हाथ क्यों नहीं खड़े कर रहा है? ऐसे ऐसे खड़े करिए, बहुत आसान है हाथ खड़े करना। नहीं देखी? ओके, अमेजिंग। अगर इंग्लिश मीडियम नहीं देखी तो देखिएगा, उसमें एक कॉन्सेप्ट आता है कि क्या हमें कब से कमाने लगना चाहिए और अपने पापा का भार थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए। ये हमने वेस्टर्न से सीखा है और एक बहुत बेस्ट हैबिट है। इसी के ऊपर मैंने एक पोएम पढ़ी थी कुछ दिन पहले, बहुत ही अमेजिंग पोएम लिखी थी, सुना रहा हूँ आप लोगों को, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। और ये ना प्यार और इस सब के बीच के आसपास की बात है, ध्यान से सुनिएगा कि दुनिया से लड़ने की हिम्मत ना हो तो इश्क जताना भी मत, और जब तक कमाने न लग जाओ उसको अपने दिल की बात बताना भी मत। चलो पहले संघर्ष के अंगारों पे चल के दिखाओ, मुंह से क्या वादे करना, अगर सच्ची मोहब्बत है तो कुछ करके दिखाओ। Thank you so much, guys.
Awesome, that's amazing, guys. Let's hear it from him, guys. First of all, बहुत बढ़िया है यार. I think overall content पे काम करके लेके आते हो. That's amazing. कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling after expressing your thoughts? And guys, you can put across your comments.
बढ़िया लग रहा है।
Anything. Yeah. कैसा था?
और
ठीक था?
वो एक्चुअली बात बता दूं, वो दोनों कविताएं मैंने खुद लिखी हैं।
अरे ये देखो, खुद का ये किसी ने लिखा था. अच्छा, हमने भी समझा नहीं किसने ही लिखा था. And like ये मैं ही था. That's amazing. I think overall वो जो what I told you initially also that कि तुम audience को बांधे रखने वाला तुम्हारे पास capacity है, वो है, and that's interesting.
Thank you, sir.
That is the core of a performer. आज के स्पीच में मैं फिर भी कहूँगा थोड़ा सा फैक्ट्स अच्छे थे, कुछ चीजें अच्छी बोली हैं, लेकिन अभी है ना, मतलब वो एक जो मतलब पूरा बन के निकल के आता है ना, एक अच्छी सी एक है ना, जैसे शिप बन के निकलती है, तो शिप सी नहीं बनी.
जी सर।
Now I'll tell you what,
जी
कि
सर।
मतलब पता नहीं, जैसे ना, जैसे शायद लैक ऑफ थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चरिंग था या लैक ऑफ प्रिपरेशन था, कि कुछ कुछ अच्छे पीसेस थे अंदर जो आ रहे थे, लेकिन एक पूरा स्टोरी स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक जब पेंट होता है ना, तो वो तुमने किया हुआ है 2-3 बार पहले, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि वो
जी।
पेंट पूरा पेंट करोगे ना, तब और मजा आएगा. ठीक है.
ओके
तो
सर।
उसमें रहता है कि थोड़ा सा जैसे आप इस चीज को ले रहे हो, तो फिर जो हमारा टॉपिक के बारे में हमने बात किया है, तो फिर थोड़ा सा रिपीटेशन को यूज करो, थोड़ा सा स्टोरी को यूज करो, लेकिन वो पूरा समा को बना के देखो ना, तब वो कंप्लीट निकल के आएगा. ठीक है. बाकी आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग. पीपल आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू, बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड ओवरऑल दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड यू हैव अ ग्रेट स्माइल अक्रॉस, जो लोगों को पसंद आती है. ओके, दैट्स अमेजिंग. ऑलराइट, हु इज नेक्स्ट? I have to see always. Okay, Fakia is next. Fakia, where are you? Okay. I think I am putting you on
I'm here.
highlight and you are on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Okay, so let's start from my first question from you. How many of you support westernization? Just raise your hand. How many of you support westernization? Nobody?
Destination is
Okay, only Anshuman. And how many of you have with Indian culture? Indian culture? Nobody? Okay.
what? Arey,
I can see many. Okay. So I want to share one story, you can say, or one kahavat. So have you seen जब वेस्टर्न्स में शादी होती है, जब मैरिजेस होती है, तो उनका वो 1 year साथ रहते हैं, 2 year साथ रहते हैं, then उनका डिवोर्स हो जाता है. एंड यू कैन सी इन आवर इंडिया कि शादी तो पहले जन्म में होती है और फिर 7 जन्मों तक के वादे हो जाते हैं. सी दिस इज आवर इंडियन कल्चर. So as Fakia Chaudhary is here, I would like to take my stand with Indian culture, as we are going to comparing Indian culture or westernization culture. So they I am not saying that Western culture is totally wrong, but as many speakers have shared that there are some pros as well, there are some cons as well. We can take some pros, we can mix them with our Indian culture. If we want to do love or romantic relationship like westernization, so first we need to be become a successful person. And when you become a successful person, you will become what can we say, I'm forgetting words. You will become freedom. You will get freedom to do anything. Okay, so my point is that I'm standing with Indian culture, and I would like to say that as you can see, Western people come here. Why? Because they like our meditation, they like our yoga. So they are mixing all Indian and westernization, as well as we can mix our Indian culture with westernization. Do not follow proper westernization. We can mix which we like to follow. Thank you so much.
okay, that's amazing. Let's hear from the speaker, guys. Come on, put it up. I have to figure out, I have to, I don't know, do this clapping thing somehow in a different way. Okay, that's amazing. Thank you, Fakia, for such a great speech. Very interesting. How did you feel
I don't know today what happened with me. I forget all the things.
Okay. No worries, but we were able to see that you delivered some speech. I had some comments across, I'll tell you that. But I think, even after forgetting the content, you were able to deliver a good speech. I'll still qualify it as a good speech.
Okay,
So,
thank you
yeah.
so much.
So, I think, when you're forgetting, you're giving good speech. If you remember, then you're like, oh, great speeches are there. Okay. That's amazing. On the part of improvement, I'll say there are two things. Whenever you're performing, try to have this camera set up somewhere where you can stand and perform. Maybe you can sit once as the people are performing, but when you're standing and performing, na, that is what is required because you're also training your body and your overall expressions to kind of flow in that direction. Public speaking typically happens in a standing posture, so that is one. And second is थोड़ा सा maybe जब हम topic को लेते हैं ना थोड़ा सा topic was on a different note actually. So this is not about Indian culture versus Western culture. This was more about what is the effect of Western culture on Indian relationships. Okay, so you have to say कि, okay, they're having good effects. These are the effects, and these are good in these ways, or these are bad effects, and these are how it is happening, and this is why we should stop them and things like that. Okay, because once you take there from to comparison, okay, Indian culture, so the speech is different. Okay, but I think it's a good try, and I'm looking forward for more speeches across. Okay,
Sure.
chalo, awesome then. That's super great. All right, who's next? Let me see. Who is next? Who is next? I have to go always up to find who is next. Okay, I can see now. So I think the next person is Vijay, then Sarath, then Manushi. Okay, guys, remember the order. Vijay, you are on to the next video.
Can I speak, sir?
Yeah, go on.
So good evening, everyone. I'm asking the first question. Do you believe in love marriage or arranged marriage? Please reply with your comments.
Just an added point here because a lot of Vijay, sorry to disturb you on this. So just an added point, I think we should take feedbacks whenever we are typing. No, we can take feedbacks like Anshuman takes, raise your hands or maybe do something like this. That because everybody is on video, right? And that way we can take it. Okay. बाकी विजय सही जा रहे हो यार अभी तो फर्स्ट क्लास है हंस के दिखा थोड़ा सा हाँ चलो फिर से स्टार्ट करो.
So good evening, everyone. I am asking the first question. Do you believe in love marriage or arranged marriage? So people commented on that both and love or arranged. My topic is westernization of Indian romantic relationship have transformed or not? I stand for it transformed in very areas in our societies. It actually transformed. Like how westernizations come in our country, it actually comes from many many medias. As literacy grows, it comes to that, or as information technology grows, it comes to this ways. And what is westernization actually? It is actually a process of a spreadness of culture of different philosophies, religions, and values and ideas of Western countries in our countries, and the also philosophies of relationships also come into our country. The main point is in Western countries, people marry, they live together without any organized process like ceremonies of marriage ceremonies. They living together. But in our Indian culture, we have an organized institute and organized religious performance for our marriage. So we have process to go through, and society has shifted through that. But from the Western culture, people actually loves and they start to live each other without any processes. So there is a difference. But how can a people spend their whole life without knowing a person, without spending his or her time with others? So the Westernization has a benefit for us that it leads to spend a person or know a person to that person which he or she might spend their whole lifetime. So that's why it's better for us. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's hear point Marcus. Put it up first of all. That's amazing, guys. So I think it was a good speech, guys. Put it across. What do you think about his speech? What is one thing that you liked about his speech? Okay, and how did you feel? विजय, कैसा लग रहा था स्पीच के टाइम पर?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ हंसते नहीं हो यार तुम, एक तो हद हो गई है, ऐसा स्पीच दे दो सुपर सीरियस होके और ऐसा है
थोड़ा रहते।
हाँ
सीरियस से थोड़ा रहते इसलिए।
कोई बात नहीं, वही है, थोड़ा सा हंस दिया करो बीच में, चाहे कुछ ना हो तब भी बाकी इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैं देख पा रहा था कुछ कुछ जगह पे स्ट्रगल मार रहे थे तुम कि मतलब मैं मतलब यहाँ पर गिव अप कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन फिर तुमने गिव अप नहीं किया और तुमने बोलना शुरू किया और फिर से कुछ निकाल दिया पॉइंट एंड फिर से निकाल दिया, एंड दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीकर. I can see a lot of fighter speakers now who are not giving in क्योंकि यार अरे यार डर लग रहा है, वो कंटेंट बोल गया यार, अरे नहीं अब तो लो तुम. That is the best part. That is the fighting spirit. Okay, I think that is really great. I'm able to see it across in a couple of speakers and now you also, and धीरे और भी interesting content निकल के आएगा. ठीक है? I think that's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. All right, so we'll move to the next speaker. Who is the next speaker? Sarath is the next speaker. Sarath.
यार वीडियो
ஆக்சுவலா இருக்கலே ரொம்ப ஹார்டான டைம் என்ன தெரியுமா, நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்க பூரா வந்து ஹிந்தில பேசுறது, நம்ம வந்து நமக்கு ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியும், தமிழ் தெரியும், அதை நம்ம ஹியர் பண்றது, அதுதான் இருக்கலே ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயம். அது இல்லாம வந்து அது அப்ரிஷியேட் வேற பண்ணுவோம், இல்லைன்னா நம்மளோட என்ன சொல்றது, நம்மளோட பர்சனாலிட்டி வந்து கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாயிரும். ஸோ அதனால அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுவோம், புரிஞ்சாலும் புரியனாலும் சூப்பர், ஏன்னா அவங்க ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்றதுக்காக நம்ம பண்ணணும். ஸோ வந்து ஆக்சுவலா நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஹிந்தில ஒரு வேர்ட் நான் வந்து கத்துருக்கிறேன். அது என்னன்னா வந்து வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷனா பச்சை மீக்கரன்னு சொல்றாங்க, பட் ஆனா அது என்னன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல, நீங்க ஏதாவது ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எனக்கு கரெக்டா இருக்கும். பச்சை மீக்கரனா பச்சை மீக்கரனான்னு தெரியல. ஓகே, இப்ப அது தமிழ்ல எனக்கு என்னன்னா மேற்கத்திய மயமாக்குதல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, மேற்கத்திய மயமாக்குதல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? இப்போ வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்க, வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷன், அதாவது ஏன்னா இப்ப தமிழ் கல்ச்சர், அதாவது இந்தியன் கல்ச்சரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் வந்து நான் ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் மட்டும் தான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். எப்பயுமே வந்து அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ் வந்து நான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். இங்க எத்தனை பேர் வந்து லவ் பண்றீங்கன்னு நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா? How many of the people love here?
Oh, good question. आ गया मेरा हाथ, पता नहीं कहाँ है.
நிறைய பேரு போய் சொல்றீங்க லை. சரி, ஓகே. இப்ப வந்து என்னன்னா நீங்களேன், இப்ப வந்து நம்ம இந்தியன் கல்ச்சர் படி பார்ப்போம். இந்தியன் கல்ச்சர் படி நீங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து அது வந்து இப்போ ஒரு பொண்ணை வந்து இப்போ ஒரு கேர்ளை வந்து நம்ம லவ் பண்ணி அது அவங்கள மேரேஜ் பண்றோம்னு வைங்களேன், அதோட ஃபீலே தனி. அது எப்படி தெரியுமா, இப்ப என்னன்னா வந்து அப்பதான் வந்து நமக்கும் அவங்களுக்கும் ஒரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் இருக்கும். ஸோ வந்து அதுதான் கொஞ்சம் பார்ப்பேன். ஸோ வந்து அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ் இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப நம்ம வந்து நமக்கும் அந்த பொண்ணை யாருன்னு தெரியாது, ஸோ அவங்களுக்கும் நம்மளே யாருன்னு தெரியாது. ஸோ அதனால ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் புரியாது. ஸோ வந்து இது வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான விஷயம். சில பேருக்கு தமிழ் புரியாது, அதாவது many of the people can't understand Tamil. I think எல்லாரும் பக்கன்னு முழிக்கிறீங்க, எனக்கு தெரியுது பார்த்தாலே. சரியா? சரி, இப்ப நம்ம டாபிக் குள்ள வருவோம். என்னன்னு வைங்களேன், இப்ப வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷன் கல்ச்சர் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷன் கல்ச்சர்னா யூஎஸ் கல்ச்சர் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? அது நான் சில இது சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவேன். பட் ஆனா வந்து அது ஓவர் அட்வான்டேஜா இருக்கும். அது வந்து என்னன்னா ஆஹ் அது வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும். என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா வந்து அங்க வந்து அங்க வந்து ஆக்சுவலா முக்காவாசி பேர் வந்து லவ் பண்ணி தான் மேரேஜ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ வந்து அதுல சந்தேகமே கிடையாது. அங்க போயிட்டு நீங்க அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ்னான்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா வந்து தே வில் லாஃப். வாட் இஸ் அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ், நீங்க வந்து சிரிப்பாங்க. ஸோ வந்து அது வந்து அங்க வந்து கிடையாது, லவ் மேரேஜ் தான். பட் ஆனா வந்து மேரேஜ்க்கு அப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் சம் இயர்ஸ் தே வில் மூவ் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் பேர். அதாவது நெக்ஸ்ட் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் பேர் அவங்க வந்து போயிடுவாங்க. பட் வந்து அதுதான் வந்து ரியல் ஃபேக்ட். நீங்க வந்து என்னதான் சொன்னாலும் அதுதான் ரியல் ஃபேக்ட். எத்தனை பேருக்கு புரியுது புரியலன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. எல்லார் ஃபேஸஸையும் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் சேடா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா தே கான் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் மீ. சரியா, அது எனக்கு தெரியும். இப்போ வந்து அது ஒரு பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நீங்க அது வந்து இப்ப வந்து அவங்க வந்து அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ் பண்றாங்கன்னே வைங்களேன், அவங்க வந்து ஆக்சுவலா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அது நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. பட் ஆனா அது வந்து தப்புன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் அதுதான் வந்து உண்மை. சரியா. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து இப்ப என்னதான் சொல்ல வரேன்னு கேக்குறீங்கன்னா வந்து ஆக்சுவலா லவ் மேரேஜ் பண்ணி தான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணுவோம். பட் ஆனா வந்து இப்ப நம்ம மேரேஜை விட்டுருவோம், நம்மளோட லைஃப் ஸ்டைல வந்து பார்ப்போம். இப்ப நம்மளோட லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் வந்து வேற மாதிரி, நம்மளோட இப்ப எஜுகேஷனல் லைஃப் ஸ்டைலே வந்து வேற மாதிரி. என்னன்னா வந்து நம்ம வந்து எக்ஸாம் எழுதுவோம், படிப்போம், எழுதுவோம், எக்ஸாம் எழுதுவோம், பாஸ்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் போயிடலாம். சரியா. அங்க வந்து அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. பிராக்டிக்கலா சில விஷயங்கள் கத்துக்குவாங்க. சரியா, பிராக்டிக்கலா சில விஷயங்கள் கத்துவாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயத்த அவங்க பண்ணிட்டு அவங்களோட வேவை தேடிட்டு அவங்க போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டெட் டாக்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி தே வில் சேஸ் தே வே, அதாவது அவங்க வேலை அவங்க தேடிட்டு போயிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. சரியா. அது வந்து சில விஷயங்கள் அங்க வந்து சூப்பரா இருக்கும், சில விஷயங்கள் இங்க வந்து சூப்பரா இருக்கும். ஸோ வந்து ரெண்டுமே மிக்ஸ்டா இருந்தாதான் இது வந்து ஒரு சூப்பரான ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது ஒரு கல்ச்சரா மாறும். இப்ப வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷன் மட்டும்தான் பண்ணுவேன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். ஏன்னா வந்து நிறைய பேர் ஒத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க அது பேர் என்ன, இந்தியன் கல்ச்சர் மட்டும்தான் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா அதுக்கும் நிறைய பேர் ஒத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ வந்து மிக்ஸ்டா வச்சு பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கல்ச்சர் வந்து ஒரு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது ஒரு பேலன்ஸான ஒரு 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 என்விரான்மெண்ட்டை வந்து கொடுக்கும். ஸோ வந்து இதுதான் என்னோட பாயிண்ட். கடைசியா என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறேன்னா வந்து இப்ப வந்து நீங்க மேரேஜ் பண்றதா இருந்தா லவ் பண்ணி பண்ணுங்க, அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ் நோ. சரியா. தேங்க்யூ.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's hear from you guys. Come on, put it up. I think first of all, guys, what do you think of his speech? I know that content is something that you didn't understood, but I'm pretty sure the way he has spoken and the way things are, just put it across your comments across in the same way. Sarath, how are you feeling? Sarath, how are you feeling? Slightly nervous. Okay, you can. Sorry. What do you think about your speech? What do you think about your speech?
I should learn Hindi.
Not exactly the way you are. That is perfectly fine. First of all, what I saw in your performance is that earlier also when you gave your speeches, you are having this conscious barrier around. I should speak Tamil, I should speak English, and then you're like, whoa, what is happening? Today you were very confident. You're like, okay, I'll speak in Tamil. Okay, and this is how it is, and this is things are, and this is how it works. I think that's amazing because the aim of public speaking is not about the language; it's about the confidence that you build. So that is one, and that is super important. I can see. I think a lot of people have said across in the comments also that they could see the confidence in you. Okay, there was no stuttering. I'll say, the reasons could be in a direction that you are now more confident. That is one of the main reasons around it.
Sure, your voice is gone.
My voice is gone?
No, sir.
Am I audible? What's happening? Am I audible? Okay, great. So what I'm saying is that is one which is on the part of the confidence could be seen in your eyes now, and it's just amazing. the way you are putting your speeches out. On an improvement part, I'll say, I will challenge you on a next step. So this is something for people who are speaking so fast. Okay, so it's not wrong to speak fast, but as a public speaker, we should have control over our pace. Okay, speaking fast and speaking slow. Like for example, Fakia speaks, or maybe Anshuman speaks, or Manushi also speaks, and they speak slow. Okay, some people speak super fast, so you're in this fast train. Idea is let's give you the pace, let's give you the reins of your pace. So what you have to do is that just try to read a paragraph in 1 minute and see how many words you are able to do. Okay,
Yes.
once you have read a, okay, you start reading from here and go there, and in 1 minute see how much you are able to read. Okay, read as in like you have to speak. Okay, so today is Sunday, and we are talking about this ethical case. And then what you have to do is that you have to consciously finish the same paragraph which you read in 1 minute now in 2 minutes.
Oh,
okay. This way you have to increase the pauses between your speeches, as well as it will become a little slow, and that would be interesting.
something went
Okay,
wrong.
so this exercise will help you control your pace, and whatever language you want, that's perfectly fine, and that would be great. Apart from this, I think it's really commendable from the team that you are supporting Sarath. He's expressing it in his mother tongue, and you guys are patiently listening and appreciating him across, and that's amazing. Okay, we wish that we could learn Tamil, maybe. What is the and probably then we can just understand this across.
सर
Okay, there's some there's
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी अभी.
yeah, request.
आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट फॉर सारथ. हमने एक स्टार्ट किया था ना कि सारथ से एक एक वर्ड सीखते चलेंगे. मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स लिखे भी हैं, लाइक आज मैंने नोटिस किया था कल्याण, इसका मतलब शादी होता है, मैरिज. और एक सारथ के वीडियो में था नंद्र, संतोष. तो ये मैंने वर्ड लिख लिए थे, तो क्यों ना इसे कंटिन्यू करें, एक एक वर्ड हर प्रैक्टिस सेशन में सीखते चलें.
I think that's
एक
amazing.
रिक्वेस्ट फॉर सारथ.
So I think इसी के बाद मैं यही बोलने वाला था. Sarath was the word for the day. So we learn Tamil every day. So we're trying. What is the word?
அது வந்து என்ன சொல்றது, இருங்க. இன்னைக்கு வந்து என்னன்னீங்களா, இன்னைக்கு வந்து ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாமா. ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்னா வந்து உறவு.
Uravu.
Ah,
Okay, relationship is Uravu.
yes.
Okay, got it. So today's topic is
Amazing.
around Uravu. That's amazing. Okay, awesome. That's great. Thank you, Sarath, for all the
Sir.
content across. That's amazing. Yeah, Anshuman, you want to say something?
Yeah, Sarath hair looking so good. Aaj.
Thank
He's
you.
super confident now, like yeah, macho man.
Yeah, and
Okay.
hairs are amazing today.
Okay, that's amazing. Now we have the next person. I think we have got Manushi here. Okay,
Yeah,
Manushi is
hi.
waiting till the last. She's like, oh, my chance is coming. Always the best backgrounds.
Yes.
She wins the best background
you.
competition. So I think that's amazing. You can start your speech across, and you are on spotlight.
पश्चिम से आई आंधी का तमाम कूड़ा करकट घर के हर कोने में अटा पड़ा है, जिसे देख हम खुश हैं, हम 21वीं सदी में हैं. For Sarath, a lot of garbage in our house is there from the storm from the west, and seeing that garbage, we are happy that we are from 21st century. So hi friends, I'm Manushi, and here I'm speaking about westernization of romantic relationships in India. Is that transformation good or not? So I'll say no, the transformation is not good. And to talk upon this topic, we have to understand what is westernization and what is not. So I'll say if you believe that having relationship before marriage or living together with before marriage is westernized concept, please raise your hand. Okay, so for that topic, I want to tell you the name of our country, Bharat, was the name of the king who was born out of a love relationship and that love relationship was marriage itself, and no further rituals were required to prove that no further rituals were required for that marriage. Okay, so these things are not westernization. Westernization is having casuality in your relation, having casual behavior in your relationship, not taking it seriously. And I would say that these all effects, these casual things, casual behavior, this all is coming from the Western culture, not actual the Western culture, but the movies from West, particularly from US, Hollywood. These all things are coming from Hollywood movies and all. They are creating a lot of confusion and lot of in the minds of the youngster. It is creating a lot of confusion, and they are not able to understand the basic, the crux of love and relationship. So I want to give you an example. I have been to France. I have lived there for 6 months, and I have met a lot of people. There are people who have married. There are people who have not married, but not majority of them are living a very stable life. Even they are having grandchildren, and still they are not married. I don't consider it as a Western culture that if you are living with someone for so long, that is marriage. You don't have to get into rituals for that. So I believe that the westernization is definitely affecting the relationship structure in India. But what we understand, the westernization is not that. The westernization is the casual behavior. It's not considering, is not thinking that you will be with that person for long. You're not able to hold that person or tolerate for that person for long. That is westernization, and I don't support that. Thank you. That's all from me, Manushi.
Okay, that's amazing, guys. Come on, put it up, put it up. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, guys, what do you think? What do you liked in her performance? Put it on the chat. I would love to see that. And how are you feeling, Manushi, while presenting it across?
It was good. Still, I forgot a lot of things.
Yeah, I think when I was seeing across, I think it's amazing, the kind of videos that are there, and the clarity which is there in your speeches. It's just super interesting. The way you brought out that topic around what is westernization and challenge the idea, that was interesting. And I don't think your content was heavy. Your content was very light and very like direct to the point. So there was no fluff involved in this. So that's amazing. And yeah, why don't you? I don't know. Why don't you start making some videos or something to spread the knowledge across? Because I think you have been to that direction where you have some experiences. You have kind of a direction where you have experienced some sort of life, and you can, people would love to hear you and possibly give your suggestions.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you so
amazing.
much. Thank you.
Okay. So I think that's really great, and always the best background, better than mine, I'll say.
Yeah, this is all handmade. This is all.
Yeah, it is. It is a lot of. So this is also made from sweat and blood, by the way.
Yeah.
This is sweat, blood, and time.
Definitely.
Which is there. A lot of things goes into that, but I think that's amazing. Okay. I'm not able to think any feedbacks on improvement as of now. If it comes, I'll tell you.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
But
Yeah.
rest of it is really great. Awesome. That's great. Awesome. I think we have the second last speaker for today. This is Mrityunjay, who was the first speaker, but he didn't speak. I think Mrityunjay, over to you. I'm putting across the audio to across to you. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, how many of you support vocal for local? Raise your hands. I want to see. I'm not saying who are Modi Bhakt, but who support vocal for local. Hashtag vocal for local. Okay. Sarath, are you raising your hand or because you're okay? You're not raising your hand. Okay. Let's move forward. Hi, this is Mrityunjay.
Bro, I don't understand.
Oh no, I told that who all are supporting vocal for local. The vocal for local that now you understood that Modi type of term he used some day before to support India, and he's hello.
Okay, it's like ये लो यार जाओ अब जल्दी आगे बढ़ो.
Okay. So let's move ahead. Okay. I am Mrityunjay from Odisha. Basically I'm from Bihar, but I stay here in Odisha. But you can. So today's topic is westernization. Romantic relationship is good or not in India. First of all, what is India? India or Bharat is completely different concept, and it's I'm not saying against. It was way more powerful and way more previous than westernization. We are talking about westernization. What is westernization? Westernization is the commercialization of Indian ideology. We are bad at commercialization, that we can't commercialize something, but westernizing same stuff that Indian has generated, and they are just commercializing it on movies, TVs, news, media, web series, and blah blah, falana. They are saying, first of all, in India, the concept of westernization is for relationship is open relationship, love marriage, living relationship, and I can say living relationship, and one more concept was there about homosexuality and that. But these were they are saying, Westerns are saying that we have adapted it and we are spreading all around the world. They did that. The first love marriage was between, not first, but before this Western civilization, we had the concept of love marriage. Who did it? Parvati and Shiva. Who was in open relationship? Krishna. Krishna has married 1600 women at once. That is not open relationship. That I'm going to marry 1600 women. Whatever you want to say, I will not tolerate, or I will not give importance to you. That is also a kind of open relationship. After that, living relationship. Gandhar Naresh was in living relationship. He didn't married. That woman, I don't remember that her name, but Gandhar, the king of Gandhar, did not marry the lady, but they had a quite good relationship about between them. And one more thing, what quote is there? That is in Hindi. पढ़त पढ़त जग मुआ, पंडित भया ना कोई, ढाई अक्षर प्रेम के पढ़े से पंडित होए. The westernization has ever said is all about telling how you feel, expressing your love, but Indian culture has not ever overexposed his romance, overexposed his that sexuality, that how we are in a love, we are in a relationship. Okay, they are just keeping at the essence of the love, that how this is love and we will stick to it no matter what anyone is going to say. And the second point is okay, sorry, I forgot the second point. Sorry.
Go on.
Third point is that what does love need any statement to say that it is emotionally Western emotionally or Indian emotionally? This doesn't need any emotion, doesn't need to be Western or Indian. It is the whole concept of your soul, because the relationship is all about the two individual, whether he is male, female, straight, or any other sexuality, transgender, or because everyone is talking about Indian society, love, rationalization, but they are rejecting that there are also LGBT community. There are also some there are also some kind of other species of Homo sapiens that they also generate love or affection towards someone. Okay, but the Indian society have one more point. One of the speakers said that he before this westernization, we were not, my father or my grandfather were not knowing that who was his fiancée, and who doesn't know the name of his wife for a long time. That was not because of the westernization. That was because of the lack of communication or lack of the technology. Today, when you are going to marry someone, we are getting a biodata. In that, we are getting height, weight, shoulder, from eyebrows to everything. Okay, then how at back ages there were no such technology to disperse knowledge that this I am this guy, I have such facial structure, I have this body structure, I have done BTech or something, or I can generate a crop of this much crop. I can, in Bihari they are saying per kattha itna हम उगा लेते हैं. They can't say that हाँ मैं इतना कट्ठे में इतना निकाल लेता हूँ. ठीक है, इतना कट्ठा में इतना निकलता है. They were not first, they can't disperse the knowledge that हाँ I can do this. Okay, because of the professionalism, technology, and whenever someone going to marriage, so first thing, hey, he's on Facebook, let's check. That concept was that was not back there then, because that was the age where postal time, where the information you get after 15 or 1 month. Then how can we say that because of the certain decorum of the family, the husband was not able, but husband was because conservative to not overexpose his internal relationship back then. And that is the concept of Indian society, Indian relationship in the society, and the contribution of this Indian society. Because if you're saying that westernization is good or bad, I certainly believe that how it can be. The divorce rate of US, and if anyone check the fact, I don't know the exact figure, but why the divorce rate of this is higher than India. I can say that marital rape are more common in India, but that what they say nowadays, because of this lockdown, also something I grew up that violence in the home, domestic violence. Okay, the home domestic violence has grown in US. Setting India also has grown because of this westernization. We are accepting that Western is the best. And because this is not the best, because it's easy to do it. It's easy to do, and they think we are doing something unique in that we have in India. We have done no one before us. There is no such thing of westernization. India is also hoping its positive mindset with comparison to technology. We can't. US has gone much far than us because of the technology. They came first for the technology. They invented the social media before us. They explored that before us. That's why the communication became faster before us. But then also we can't say westernization, because British came. After that, chain reaction began.
Yeah.
छूट के चले गए, हम उसको चाटते रह गए. ठीक है. So I conclude my this speech, basically speech, by saying that there is no such concept of love. Just you and so not you and me. So just two soul, just two soul, and a ethic of something that this is the thing. Learn that high extra of the love. You don't need any Indian culture or westernization. That is the main concern. That is the main juice or extract of the any relationship in any gender or in any caste and creed or color.
Okay, that's amazing.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Awesome. Let's hear for him, guys. Come on, put it up. Okay, that's amazing. First of all, great works with expression with your hands. And इधर आ एक बार ये बायोडाटा में ये कौन भेजता है भाई? Then he's like ये इसका लेंस भी मिल जाता है. मैंने कहा हाँ ये कौन से बायोडाटा?
Because they don't have to have the conjointing eyebrow. They don't like the joint eyebrow or thick eyebrow. Girls are demanding that nowadays. In the biodata, I've seen.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay.
One sister is staying in Bangalore. I have seen that they told that we have rejected the boy because they were having that conjointed eyebrow.
He has a unibrow, huh?
I'm unibrow. You are legend.
That's amazing. Okay. And okay. There were a lot of facts which are to be discussed, but okay. A good speech, I'll say a lot of data, a lot of facts. Sometimes you're forgetting, sometimes you're putting out, and I can see the kind of confidence which is building up here. That's amazing. पहले बोलने में शुरू नहीं होते थे, अब रुकते नहीं हो. That's amazing. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा improvement वाले part पे मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि whenever you're giving a speech, try to put it in a थोड़ा सा structure way. Although you had points, this is first point, second point, third point, and all that. So don't tell us that, okay, I'm missing the third point. Okay, the third point is missing. Okay, it's missing, so don't tell us that. Move on to the next part. Because that way, if you don't tell us the third point, then we're like, oh, he wanted to tell us a third point. He wanted to tell us a third point, but he's not able to do it. And that is the basic thing. Okay, so whenever you're doing for structure, अच्छा करो. And apart from this, I think. Okay. I think everybody is trained out. So you can put your comments, okay, in the chat box. I'll give a quick 2-minute speech for you so that it is a reference that can happen. Okay, should I? और या फिर अगली बारी कुछ करें?
आप बोलिए सर.
Okay, मैं ऐसे करके एक बार आता हूँ ना.
Rolling.
All right. Hi, guys. My name is Abhishek, and welcome to this speech. I think you have come here to listen something. Okay. First of all, my first basic question to you is: have you seen couples, roaming around? Okay. Everybody has seen those couples. Some cliches. And they just pop up around 14th of February, and they're like, oh, यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर भी है, and everywhere they are, and they're like, oh, ये भी, there is somebody sitting here also. So yeah, I want to talk about something which is there and which is turned some tables around in India, and which is around it's around westernization. So Valentine is a westernization concept. The question is, has westernization changed our Indian romantic relationship? And if yes, how? Yes is a positive thing or a negative thing? So I would like to start with a very basic thing when I'm talking about this, is that I think it has given some good things across, but the way it is moving, that is bad. Okay, and I would like to elaborate on the same thing. So if you know, okay, let me start with an example on this part. What do you think? Do you know how a curd is made? How do you make curd? Yeah, you make curd by putting the old curd into the milk, and you kind of take it. Now tell me if the curd is not good, or it is bad, or maybe there's a foul smell, or the bacteria are just not very good. So what do you think the curd which it will make, will it be good? Yes or no? No, because we have a bad starting point. It will lead to a bad thing, and it will go across. And that is the point. What does has happened is Westernization has given us great concept like individuality, uh, like openness, like exploration. That's amazing because we as Indians have been a culture where we used to think that traveling on the sea abroad is bad. So this was one of the things which was on the back. But now we are able to explore, and the world has opened up. So in the same way, all these concepts have come up with some other concepts like casuality, like being casual. A lot of people have this thing across where being casual with relationships, being casual with life, being casual with overall things. Okay, thinking of the thing. Okay, what I'll do is now, and not thinking about much things across, and taking things casually, even if it's relationships, even if it is, uh, you know, any kind of relationship. And that is the main problem because the divorce rate in US is 60%. India, it is not 60%. It is somewhere around 20-25%. But the way things are moving, if we are adapting in the same way, I can see a lot of people getting divorced at as early as 30, 31. They get divorced after 1 year, 2 years, and so. And concepts like individuality are really good, and but one has to take them in a way that they are benefiting to you instead of tearing you up, because it is super important to understand that yeah, you exist in a society and you matter, but that is also important that there are people around you who are there and who care for you, and this is something which is as a study as well. There's a study which was done by Harvard. In fact, I'll play that for you in one of the session, which said that is a 75-year-old study. So what they did is they took up a child who was 6 year old. They surveyed some 400 people. They were 6 year old and different parts of the country, and then they tracked them when they were 4 till they were 96. And today also that study is going on. And one of the things which a lot of people shared, a lot of them died and everything happened, but one of the life concepts which came out is relationships. The study said that the people who shared warm relationships, the people who shared exchanging relationship, and not only romantically but also with their parents, with their family and society, so they were more likely to be happy, enjoying, as well as live a more healthy life. And that brings us towards direction where I think this is the kind of life we should lead to. And yeah, and casuality do not hold any of these positions across. So yeah, I think Westernization has helped us in a couple of ways on expression, putting our thoughts out. That's interesting. But also it has brought a thought of casual things and sort of things which are they just take it for granted, and that is something we should keep ourselves away from. Otherwise, that will be something which will be super bad. Love has no language, love has no countries. It's between people, it's between countries, and it's between things. But the idea is you have to be intellectual enough to understand what makes you benefit, makes you good, and what makes you bad. Thank you all. That's my name. All right. So thanks a lot. You can put your comments across, guys, in the comments. I would love to know what is thing you liked very much in the comments. And apart from that, I think Aparijita, you are the first person. So you are one of the audience who is there, who is seen our community. How did you like the community? You can just unmute yourself and give us a quick introduction about yourself. Probably that would be interesting.
Good evening, sir, and greetings to all the participants. My name is Aprajita Chauhan, and I am presently residing in Shimla, and I'm a law student. And it's been, I think, 2 or 3 weeks I have joined this community, the outer community. So, talking about today's session, the session was really good. listening to the speakers, so talented speakers, is a good experience. And sitting here in Shimla and listening to various speakers from all over the country, it is an awesome experience. And as you have said, that language doesn't matter, it is the way you create a connection with the audience that matters. So I think that is the beauty of our Indian culture. Irrespective of whether we are in whichever state we are residing, but the thing which connects ourselves is our culture, the diversity of our culture. So awesome session. I really enjoyed it, and great job.
I think that's amazing. Since you are thank you for joining us as an audience. If you wish to join our inner community, then you can do it too. There you can just connect with the admin which is in your group, and we do a lot of sessions across here to improve people on a weekly basis. We do theory sessions as well, and a lot of interesting. Guys, do you like the session? Okay, that's amazing. And apart from this, I think Aparajita, there is a girl called Rimchim. Rimchim, you're here. Rimchim is also,
Yes, sir. I'm here.
she's in class 12 right now, but she's at direction of getting into law. So probably you guys can get connected if you need any, guidance from the UP.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm ready to help her if she needs any help from me.
Oh, that's amazing. Rimchim, will you reach out if you have any questions?
I will, sir. I will definitely.
Awesome, that's great. All right, so I think that's amazing. So this has brought us to the end of this session. I think this is super amazing. I really like the way you put across your time and the way you guys are improving. And I can see a lot of things from the videos that I get. And yeah, कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को खुशी होने लग जाती है कि oh shit, ये तो सही है, मतलब I like it. That's amazing. Apart from this, we are also experimenting couple of things. We had session today. We are doing two. We did a session yesterday also, a feedback session. Today also there was a session. There are a couple of things where we have figured out that we want to increase the number of practice sessions and also do some things around the webinars and things like that. So yeah, so we'll be letting you know across soon what are the things across. Apart from this, I think still some of you have the opportunity to make the video around that youth and smoking. And if you have made it, please put it on Instagram and tag us so that we can add it to our story as well. Okay, that way it was amazing. Anything from your side, Vandana?
We have to talk about that referral point we were discussing now.
Yes. So one more thing is right now the community is growing, the things are going great, and what we are doing is now we are also expanding and open to people who are on referral. So the thing is, if you have friends, if you have people who would like to join or who would benefit from the community, so please do refer them, and maybe you can invite them in one of the sessions that we have, so that they can see across anything. And yeah, just spread the word out. I think we are ready to grow across. We already have 36 members in the inner community, and let's try to take it to 100 in a month. Okay.
So if you all are getting the value here, so try to spread it to all your friends also. So if you think this is valuable community, so you can ask your friends also to come here to join with us in the inner community, and that way we'll grow. Our community will grow.
Okay. So that's amazing. Thank you guys for joining in, and I'm looking forward for you. We'll catch up on Tuesday with another session on public speaking, and that till then, enjoy and put across that video. That would be okay. Chalo. Awesome then. Take care. Bye bye.